Hey everyone, this is Drew of Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2017 Lexus RC350 F Sport. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 306 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This specific RC350 has a lot of carbon fiber interior trim in here around the logo. Looks pretty cool. You have heated and ventilated seats, reverse camera, you have the Lexus touchpad infotainment system, you have the cool Lexus F Sport gauge cluster, which I really like. You have Sport Plus in this F Sport, which is cool. The doors in the RCs are huge. It's really hard to get in and out of like tough parking spots in these things. The seats look pretty good, black leather, they feel comfortable too. And this specific one also has an aftermarket exhaust. It sounds like a straight pipe or something, I'm not quite sure. And F Sport models are very popular on my channel, regardless of what year it is, so I try to get as many videos as I can, especially these older F Sport videos. People really like them. Seems like you guys really like videos on any Lexus F Sport. So as soon as I can get my hands on one, I try my best to get videos on them. But let's walk around the car and see what it looks like. You have a gray exterior, F Sport badge on the side, orange calipers, and this one has the full LED headlights. Also, you have the F badge on the front. That's not stock. It's a pretty good looking car. These older F Sports are definitely very desirable because of them being budget friendly for a lot of people. You have the F Sport badge on the back. Those quad outlet exhausts are also not stock, as I mentioned. This has some kind of aftermarket exhaust. It sounds like a straight pipe to me, but we'll get out on the road and see how it sounds. But overall, a pretty good looking car. The RCF has the stacked exhaust from factory, but this one is the 350, so it'll have dual outlet, but this one, obviously being modified, has quad outlet exhaust. Sunroof. And you also have some center console storage in there. You can see my phone. Trying to get this belt on. All right. But let's go for a drive. You can see the braking come on, the braking sensor. I do like this carbon fiber interior trim. I don't know if I would like it around the logo though, but overall it looks pretty good. I don't think there's no way this was stock. I think this was just all added on as like clip-ons. Pretty quick. Overall, the seats are really comfortable. The car feels nice to drive. I would prefer the stock exhaust over the exhaust on this one personally. Acceleration's good, transmission's decent too. The cooled seats work pretty well, and the AC also circulates around the car pretty well too. But anyways, thanks guys for joining me on another drive. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you would like to shop for a wide variety of sporty sedans and coupes.